So the last thing I'm going to add to the steak, just because it's almost done, is pure Irish butter, Kerrygold. So, with the Whole Foods, we got a nice bunch of steaks that we're going to cook up today. And on top of that, we're going to do a nice reduction sauce, which I'm going to actually use some kiwis and some mangoes. Oh, just one mango, not some. Some means like two or whatever. And then some nice Driscoll berries. All these flavors tie in to one another, but you're going to need one more thing to make it like a nice thick, bold type of sexy type of syrup, and that's some Merlot. We're gonna add that after we saute the fruits, and then we're gonna let this reduce to a nice, almost caramelized sauce. And while that's reducing and caramelizing, this is gonna be seasoned, and we're going over here to where I got the cast iron skillet, which I'm about to start heating up. And this is the pan that I'm gonna be using to actually go ahead and do the reduction sauce. So, God praying, everything goes well. Oh, here we go. Some natural crystal salt flakes. You know salt bay in this bitch. We just salt in this bitch. Got a nice salt crust in there. And I forgot to tell you, this ain't PG-13 either, so there's going to be some swear words, there's going to be some damns and some other shit, so viewer discretion shall be advised. Oop, nice. Come here. Ah, shoot, I forgot a spoon, but that'll work. I don't really care about cutting the mango. I'd rather have it in chunks like that. The only thing that sucks is I don't have a spoon right now. So I'm just going to tear it apart. This is the way I kind of rather prefer it anyway. And obviously we're not going to use all that kiwi. That's going to be nice. I'm going to heat this up using a low heat. And there's my low heat. Because I'm not trying to cook the whole steak right now, I'm just trying to get the pot heated because I want to have this going first. So, let's go ahead. Like so. We're just going to wait for this to heat up real fast. That's when we're going to add the kiwi and the mango. And that's now, once that sautés, I start adding the wine to it, and once I add the wine to it, I'll reduce it in the mushrooms. Garlic I can actually go ahead and add in now. Everybody knows about bruising it. We'll just let that go and get nice and hot. Ooh, this is going to be so nice. You can actually already start to smell the oil and the salt and the garlic already starting to get there. Alright, now that's already warm. Reduce this down. Just want to get it hot. Alright, so now I gotta add the kiwi. Oh, this is gonna be blazing. And then adding the mango in the middle. Using my hands, but like I said, my hands are set. Nope, not even time to flip yet. Ah, slippery bastard. Can you smell it now? Alright, so now we just gotta wait for that to get hot. Now I'm just gonna add some oil to the cast iron. Just because I don't want to add the raspberries in yet because these will cook quick. So I just want to keep. I want them to have their integrities. And these are Driscoll's, by the way, product of Mexico. Yeah, the raspberries I want to put in after I do the reduction, or put in the wine. Yo, that smells bomb. I ain't even gonna front. Alright, so that's almost ready. Oh, yeah. Now we're just gonna let this chill and marinate and relax for a minute. So by the time this is done reducing, the steak should be medium rare. Or, yeah, medium rare. Ooh, almost forgot. One more thing. Rosemary. So normally about that much. You're not really cutting it because I'm using the dull part of the knife. I just wanted to release the oils without cutting it. Let's add a little more flame to this. Yeah, you can start to smell the fucking wine evaporating. So here, So like I said, I'm trying to get a nice sear.
Time out.
Take two.
I'm hungry, dude.
Yeah, once this becomes almost like a glaze, that's what I'm looking for. I'm actually gonna put this up higher. Nope. Just wait till it's done, guys. I promise it's gonna be bomb. There's one thing I love to do is cook.
Smells so fucking good.
Say it to camera.
There's one thing I love to do is fucking cook.
You're more gangster now.
Fry, kind of, so that I can chew into it and have fun with it. That I can put on low, so just reduce enough. And then on low, it'll reduce the rest of the way. Should have grabbed some strawberries to put in there too, by the way.
Okay, well, next time. This is the first steak.
Come on.
That's all right. No, that's good. I like when you do that, like two breads, 4 by 2.
Alright, so
Look at how
Natural,
so you see how the wine's starting to cook the pork and it's starting to drip a lot thicker? That's what I want. And now that I have that, I can add the raspberries. That's what I've been waiting for. And then once I add the raspberries, I'm going to shut it off. You just let the natural heat do the rest of the work. There we go. Sorry.
Yeah, you gotta clean it.
Okay. Oh, look at that color. And then I'm going to add just a small amount of duck fat. Because we can. That's why. Just a bit more salt. The only reason why I added a little bit more salt is just to bring out the flavors of the duck fat, honestly. Salt brings the flavor out of anything, just like cooking. Nope, that's not what I wanted. It's almost there, but not quite.
It's not gonna cook all the way through in the middle at that point. Well, I mean, it may when it does cook. I mean, now there's a bone in this one, so it's a little bit different from what you're used to as well.
No, that's good.
What's a better cut, New York strip or ribeye?
I like both, actually.
Both are good? Okay. The top sirloin, what I normally get, isn't as good?
You see how the raspberries tie in the sauce?
Oh yeah, let me take a picture of this. This is looking good.
So the last thing I'm going to add to the steak, just because it's almost done, is pure Irish butter, Kerrygold. Whatever. No, that's that nice color. That's why I wanted the butter at the end. Yeah, that's gonna be nice.
Should be good now.
And
Oh yeah,
yeah.
that's perfect.
Oh wow. Good stuff.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
I was not expecting that.
Yeah.
I've never had a fruity steak before. This fucking works.
We were talking about that shit last night.
Awesome. Wow.
That like just fucked with my tongue big time. I was not expecting that. My tongue was like, this is gonna be a steak.
Yeah.
This isn't gonna be fucking. Oh my god.
You love it, don't you?
There you go.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Holy shit.
That's my first cooking video. Off the editing. Bye, guys.
Wow.
That is way fucking better than I thought it was gonna be.
Bye.
The taste, it just matches up. Because typically